how to see who viewed your Instagram story. In order to see that, let's first head over and then post in here a story that we can actually add. So I'll head over and post it. I'll head over and click on this here story in the bottom and already successfully post this to my account. So let's just head over and wait until it's actually finished uploading. And once it's finished uploading, you should be able to see in here little button that says the number of people that have viewed your story. So for example, let's head over right here to our other account and let's view that particular story. So let's view the story right here. Let's also try to react. And when we head over again to our account, you can see the actual story right here. So here's our story, and as you can see, here's activity. So you can click on that. So you can see all the viewers, and you can also see if they have reacted to that particular story that you have posted. So that's how you see who viewed your Instagram story. Hope we helped.